Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Surfshark VPN on your Amazon Firestick device. So this VPN is officially available on Amazon Firestick App Store. If you want to download Surfshark VPN on your Amazon Firestick device, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here Surfshark VPN. When you type surf, the suggestion below Surfshark VPN app. So scroll down and click on. And here as you can see the Surfshark VPN white color app. So click on. Now click on download button. So here as you can see downloading will be start. It will depending on your internet speed. So the Surfshark VPN is installed on our Amazon Fire Stick device, and now you open Surfshark VPN from here and also from home. So after installing Surfshark VPN on Amazon Fire Stick device, go back to home screen by pressing remote home button, and here press remote home button for 3 seconds. Again, now click on apps, it means application, and here you will find all application that is installed on Firestick device. So if you want to open Surfshark VPN, then scroll down, you will find Surfshark VPN. So here is the Surfshark VPN white color app. So click on. And if you have Surfshark VPN account, then click on login button, and you don't have Surfshark VPN account, then click on create account. So if you have Surfshark VPN account, then click on login button, and you don't have Surfshark VPN account, then click on create account. So you can use this method to download Surfshark VPN on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any kind of question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next on next video. Take care.